Hello and welcome to another episode in our series on exciting careers as electrical engineer in the power system industry. In today's episode, we are going to explore opportunities as an electric forensic engineer. Forensic engineering is a very specialized field of power systems engineering. It involves on-site investigation, more like a CSI type of work. You have to be a curious, inquisitive professional who can connect the dots, solve mysteries, and is also interested in field work. We are going to discuss the skill sets that are required to make an entry into this field, what are the qualifications and credentials that employers are seeking, and what are the career prospects and growth opportunities as an electrical forensic engineer. In terms of job responsibilities, you will be expected to conduct field investigations, analyze failures and accidents involving all types of electrical equipment, designs, different types of products, and wiring systems. You'll have to perform electrical evaluations of failed systems in order to figure out the root cause of the failure, which can be due to multiple reasons, such as lightning damage, electrocutions, electrically related fires, misoperation by the end user, attempts to sabotage a system, malicious activities, and so on. You'll be expected to apply electrical engineering principles in accordance with industry standards to investigate and analyze. As a professional, you'll be expected to conduct unbiased field and lab investigations for a variety of different types of clients. In order to report your findings, you'll be expected to deliver professional presentations. These technical findings, recommendations, and conclusions should be fairly straightforward for a layman to understand. And when it gets to the nitty-gritty details, you'll have to back your conclusion with sound technical proof. A lot of times, these reports may also be presented in legal proceedings, which you may be required to attend as well. So as you can see, the roles and responsibilities of an electrical forensic engineer are actually kind of non-conventional. This is not your regular design engineering job in an office setting with a few site visits here and there. Essentially, you're putting multiple pieces of a puzzle together and solving a mystery. There can also be some strict timelines associated with this activity, because while you are working as a forensic engineer, there could be a legal case in the court, and the outcome of that case could heavily depend on your recommendation. Since this is a very specialized field of power systems industry, it is not uncommon for employers to have higher level of educations as a requirement. In most of the episodes that we've discussed in the past, you could get an entry-level job with bachelor's of engineering with a 4 years bachelor's of engineering degree. But when it comes to forensic engineering, some of the employers actually prefer graduate degrees and even PhDs. They also have a higher threshold for experience requirements because no two projects are necessarily the same. Employers are interested in candidates who have a broad set of experience and have seen different scenarios and can connect the dots by virtue of the depth of their understanding of intricate electrical concepts, theories, and practice. And unless you're starting out as a junior engineer in a firm that specializes in forensic engineering or has a department that has hired you to train you in this skill, they expect engineers to have professional engineering license, because for the most part, you'll be working on a given assignment on your own. You'll be creating a report, making a presentation, submitting your conclusions and findings. And ideally, you should be taking ownership of your work. And that's where the P license comes into play. With the P license, you can put the stamp on the deliverables, on your report, on your presentation, and that will have your sign of approval. In order to become a professional engineer in the US, you have to pass 2 exams. The FE electrical and computer exam if you're an electrical engineer typically, and the P power exam if you're specializing in power systems. I also run popular exam preparation programs for both FE electrical and P power exams. If you're interested in learning more about my exam preparation resources, please visit my website studyforfe.com. So far, we have gone over the roles and responsibilities of electrical forensic engineers, the qualifications and the requirements and the skill sets. But what about the growth opportunities? Again, as I mentioned earlier, this is a very specialized field, and I've had some of my former students who are now professional engineers that have gone ahead, set up their own engineering consultancies, and a lot of work that they are getting as a small engineering outfit is in this very space. Sometimes engineers are contacted by insurance companies who are interested in a third-party professional opinion. Let's say a house or business catches fire and the owner submits an insurance claim. Before making the insurance payout, the insurance company would like to rule out the possibility of some intentional insurance fraud. And for that, they'll be engaging professionals, and one of the professionals that will probably be engaged is an electrical forensic engineer to get their feedback and input into the possible causes of fire. So forensic engineering offers you the opportunity to go solo and start offering your services as a licensed professional engineer if that is what you're interested in. I hope you found this video interesting. If you're working as a forensic engineer, please let me know your thoughts, comments, and suggestions, any type of insights that you have based on your experience as a forensic engineer in the comment section of this video. Thanks a lot for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.